Alright, what up y'all? We are back with a trick tip tutorial, and for the first trick we're going to do tic tacs. So this is really easy. This is gonna be one of the fundamentals to get you to get comfortable with manuals, get comfortable with shove-its, and definitely kick turns. This is the beginning. This is the pivotal moment, you know, hence you're gonna be pivoting on this back truck. All right, so just a quick run through really quick with my hands. This is what a tic tac is gonna look like. So you're gonna place your front foot right here, and your back foot is gonna be right here in this center area. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna get comfortable lifting up just enough on your back foot, allow some pressure, and you're gonna move it. You're gonna move it this way, you're gonna move it back, and it's gonna create a tic tac. The fastest way to learn this is in the grass. All right, so just like I did with the hand movements, you're gonna put your front foot on the front bolts, and then you're gonna put your back foot right where your toe is. You're gonna want the ball of your foot and your toes. You want this whole front area to go right there in the pocket. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna get comfortable, you're gonna bend your knees a little bit, and you're gonna lead with this shoulder, and your shoulder is gonna allow you to pick up your board and do this. It's gonna tic tac. It's gonna tic tac, boom. Bring it back this way. So once you get comfortable doing it in the grass, we're gonna go to step 3, but I do wanna do one more thing. Okay, just from an overhead view, you're gonna place your front foot right here over the front bolts, and then you're gonna put your back foot right there. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna lift up just enough, you're gonna apply just enough pressure on that back foot, and you're gonna move your front foot. And then you're gonna move it back this way. You see, every single time I put my back foot and allow that pressure to lift my board up a little bit, you're gonna find a way to move it. So you're gonna move it this way to this way, constantly pivoting, okay? Okay, so as soon as you get comfortable tic-tacking in the grass, what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna take it to the concrete. And just a little bit at a time. You could do it in place just to start. Here's the overview from my point of view. One of the very important things to do when learning how to tic-tac is keep your knees and your legs in like a little squat position. This is what's gonna give you the balance on the skateboard. So every time you go for your tic-tac, you're gonna bend your knees, and that's gonna create speed also. Here, come on. All right, so now that you have your tic-tacs down in skateboarding, it's a great opportunity to learn kick turns. Kick turns is gonna be where you do, I'd say, a full tic tac, just one full tic tac, and it's gonna turn your body a full 180. So that's probably gonna be the next trick tip we go over. All right, I'll talk to y'all soon. Love ya. Peace.